Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going for a cherry hunt. As you all know, cherry is the color of the season this time. So today I'm gonna find all the cherry colored things in this entire mall and see what the best I can get today. And as you can see, it's already raining outside, but nothing can stop me making these interesting, challenging videos. And for more outfit and styling videos, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Today I'm here to hunt the cherry color and see what the best we can grab in this entire mall. Nothing cherry that I got here, but I think I got one cherry purse. I'm gonna look that one. This is cherry. This one is little not my type. Not that cherry, but I think this is what we are looking for. This one is really small, so I want something sling. So it would be great if they have like a sling in it. This is too small, but this is the right color that we're looking for. I actually got something cherry here, I think. It's just at the beginning of this store, I did find, oh my god, this is cherry. Leather cherry, but it's too big. I can fit in this one twice. Oh my god, Can we consider this one cherry? I'm not sure. Let's see something else. I feel it's very slight difference between brown, red and cherry, but I would say this is a perfect cherry. You can see this one. I would prefer this one is a perfect cherry. And this is the gem section of H&M. I got a lot of good things from this section. It's a sale section, but they have like really good items here. This is kind of cherry, but again, I'm looking for something winter wear. This is very not my type. Okay, let's go. Yeah. So I did get some items for cherry. One of them was not my size, and the second one was kind of over budget. So we're gonna continue to our cherry hunt. So this is more like a wine with a nice dress. They have the jacket. They also have some vest in this wine color. Not sure. So they do have a lot of wine colors, as you can see around. Like all this is wine kind of section. They have blazers, they have pants tops, vest tops. But I'm kind of finding something winter wear in cherry color. They also have leather jackets in wine, like the cherry color. See, this one is really nice. It has that leather finish. It's very nice with this shape. This one looks good. Buy one, get one, $1. So today's deal is if we get one, the other one we can get for $1. And I kind of liked it. What do you say? And it's $20, so I can get another item, and it'll be just $21 for 2 items. This is also nice. And you guys can also comment me down and see what you guys like out of all the things that I'm exploring today in case I missed something. I like this fan too. Too leatherish. So just a black full sleeve, high neck और उसके ऊपर से ये. Kind of like it. It's nice. They have this whole cord set of cherry color. Here's the pant. It's this way actually. This is the sweat. To be honest, I really like this one. I really like this one, but I'm just waiting for this one to be on sale. So no cherry in Forever 21 too. They have cherries, but they don't have the cherry what I want. So let's go to the next one. And I'm already feeling like it's little difficult to get the cherry color here because where I am, it's actually not that up to date. They usually get the items a little late. So could be they didn't get that cherry color yet. So it's pretty hard to find, I would say, because I've already explored the top stores, which I thought could have that color. Forever 21, H&M, and two more stores, but they still don't have the cherry color. So let's see if we can still get it. So I'm not only looking for outfits, but I'm also looking for purse and footwear. And let's see what I can get. Okay. This one is pretty nice. It's very beautiful. I kind of like this, but they don't have size and they. They have some cherry, but again, not winter wear. I'm just looking for something winterish. But this one is really pretty. And it's nice. My white shirt पहन के I can do this. White shirt this and इस color की skirt looks good. और नीचे वो socks. While I was looking for the cherry color, some people also call it burgundy color. There was one more girl looking for the same, and I realized like so many girls these days looking for that particular color and it's so hard to find it. So I think this video is gonna be helpful for those girls also. Who are actually looking for that same color. They don't go to the store, but I feel they always have updated stuff here. So could be we can find the burgundy color here. The problem is कि अगर burgundy color है भी, तो वो dresses में है. I want winter wear. I know I'm being specific, but then again, that's what I want. They have a lot of cherry color. You can see. They have blazers, they have vests, they have pants. A lot of cherry. So I'm in Suzy right now, and still I didn't get anything. It's getting harder to find that particular item that I'm looking for. Got something. I got that one. I kind of like it, and it looks winter wear, but I can't find it here. And this is what I was telling you. I can see they have one piece, but here I cannot see any. They don't even have a single piece in that one. So it looks like it's already sold out. It's already out of stock. It's extra large. I almost covered the entire mall. I didn't find anything in cherry color. Neither the shorts, or the bottom, or like the sweaters, nothing. I tried, although they didn't have my size. but I did got some nudies that I wanted for so long. Hudson Bay, that's the last hope because they have like all the brands in it, so more chances to get that color. And to be honest, the mall is closing in 15 minutes, so I don't have much time. So I'm actually going out of the mall now. It's closed. I actually covered the entire mall. I didn't get anything in cherry color. So what I'm gonna do, there's Old Navy outside this mall. It's closing 1 hour later than the mall, so I'm going there. And that's our last hope. Or maybe Marshall's is our last. So this can be like a shoulder bag, and then you can also make it like a sling bag. I kind of like it. I found something interesting. Looks like it's a Halloween theme. And the best interesting part about this, it's like a magnetic opening. It's so cute. It goes with the Halloween theme. So you can already see it's dark right now. It's 8. Everything is closed. I did try my best to find out cherry or burgundy color clothes, footwear, purse, whatever I can. But for the first time, I'm really feeling like I'm not in an updated area where they don't have that color. Either they don't have it or either it's just stocked out. Sadly, I want to say mission failed. I want to continue that search maybe in next part, but today I'm gonna end this video here because I wasn't able to get the cherry color item. I'm gonna see you in the next one. If you kind of like my struggle, I would say struggle actually, you can go like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.